So at the end of the day, after usually around 2:30, we start cleaning up. So they come in and they sweep out the floor. As we see the floor swept, the sinks are all washed out. We just use a regular detergent and a sponge to wipe everything down, rinse everything out. There's not much maintenance to the dry rack. If there's any remnants of any vegetation or such, that comes out and goes to our compost pile. Our stainless table and our scale also gets washed down with a wet sponge and detergent. And at the beginning of the day, if we come in and there's anything left over, we do a quick wipe down as well, and then we start our day. Really dirty stuff. Sponge is okay, but this is really better. It scours things out really well. Not only does it work great in the sinks, but water tubs. It scours them out so great. Does a really nice job. So sponges for anything that's just touch up, but anything really dirty and heavy, we use a scrub brush. In the past, the cleaning at the end of the day was very limited because we had two wash tanks together, no real counter space. Basically, everything was hosed down with the hose outside. We didn't use a lot of soap. We didn't use anything that aggressive to clean because it was the grass and the lawn out there. So we really didn't use much other than just straight water. And we didn't have counters out there. We just had to wash tables. So things really weren't cleaned out and scoured out as best as what it is now.
The University of New Hampshire Cooperative Extension is an equal opportunity educator and employer. UNH, U.S. Department of Agriculture, and New Hampshire counties cooperating. Direct inquiries to unh.civilrights@unh.edu. The University of Maine system is an equal opportunity institution committed to non-discrimination.